Hello, everyone. We're back at JNation 2025, and with me is Lutske de Leeuw from the Netherlands. Lutske, can you say something about yourself?
Yes, of course. I'm Lutske de Leeuw. I'm now 10 years an IT person, and I work for Craftsman, a small consultancy company in the Netherlands. And also doing jugs, Apeldoorn Jug and a Jug Noord in the Netherlands. And love to talk about machine learning, cats, Java, AI, all that kind of things.
So, how do you manage to do all that? Because you are involved in two different user groups. You have
Yes.
a working job. Obviously, you participate at events like this was JNation. This is your first JNation, isn't it?
Yes, indeed. This is my first JNation.
What do you think about the conference, the event so far?
So far, I think it's very good. Very interesting speakers, and I like that in the venue, like with an old shirts and things. That's like so amazing to be there.
You have an upcoming session later today, which is related to AI and Java. What can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so my session, Tame Llama, how to get AI in Java. There I'm going to tell you about how to do local LLMs inside your Java applications and multiple ways to do it. And most of the people are like, yeah, you need to have Python or something, but it's already there in Java and it's very easy. So
Also, when you say local elements, that means running pre-trained models inside your application, or what is exactly?
yes, it is. You already downloaded the LLMs and then you customize it for what you want to do with it. And it's yeah, like I say, come to my session. I will show you how easy it is to implement it.
Okay, well, so for those that are watching us, you definitely have the option to see all the recordings of all the sessions of JNation. You'll be able to see what Lutske is going to showcase today, but there's something else that gives like a preview of what is going to happen in your session.
So I'm talking about a lot about llamas, and not only the LLMs, but also the animal llamas. And in the demos, I'm gonna show you some things with Llama 4J and LangChain 4J, and how to do that.
Okay, perfect. So, as you may be aware, this is the 30-year anniversary of Java.
Yeah.
Do you have any personal stories, any connections to this particular milestone?
Yes, of course. I'm also 30 years old, so I'm the same age as Java. And I know Java since 1.5 or 15 or however you wanna call it. But that was only like 12 years ago. So it's very cool to evolve with Java and see now it's getting faster and more. And some of my .NET colleagues were like, "Oh, Java is stupid." I'm like, "No, we're evolving very fast and we're doing things you never see before." And I think it's just so cool that's still here and it's gonna be around for, I think, maybe forever, or at least at our lifespan. And the community is so big. There's jugs everywhere, and really like that the network from all the Java developers together. It's so big and it's so welcoming.
Well, in particular, when you mentioned about the community and the Java user groups, if I'm not mistaken, the Netherlands has about eight, is it 8 or 9 different user
I
groups?
think even more already. I think 10 or something.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and we're a very small very small country, so it's very amazing that, yeah, you don't have to travel far to participate in a meetup from a jug.
And is both Appleton and Jugno part also of the umbrella Netherlands jug?
Yes, always it's part of the annual jug, the big one, but we do our own local meetups every month.
Is there so? What else can you tell us about NL Jog? So I do have some personal experiences as an speaker, as an attendee to some of the events. I was lucky to be able to participate at Apeldoorn Jog and Groningen or Jog Noord early this year. But so what else can you share about the community in the Netherlands?
Yeah, like I said, I think it's very welcoming and it's very easy to just join. You just have to say that you're coming and show up. So it's a very low bar. And like I said before, it's like very local and it's very easy to join. But I can also go to the Brabant Jug or Utrecht Jug, it doesn't matter. And you have some regulars that come there, but also a lot of changing people. So we're like, yeah, what's the subject today? Is it more about testing, more about AI, or more about the garbage collection? And see there and grab some food. And yeah, most of the time, very good conversation as well. So I really like that.
Okay, that's pretty good. Coming back to JNation, were you in the morning during the opening keynote?
Yes, I
So
was
what do you think
there.
about that?
It was so amazing. And I don't know, can we spill it? Do they already know what happened there?
There should be already a video out there about what happened, but yeah, sure.
Yeah, so there was a rock band with a Hello World song and a song about how to join Kotlin. So I think that was really amazing. I didn't expect to be at the keynote with a rock song, and I really love rock also. So that's very amazing. And if you didn't have any coffee, you were awake after that. And yeah, it was just so amazing, and that you can understand it because it's all about code. And one of the band's members is also a programmer. Is going to speak later today. I think yeah, it's really amazing.
I think this is one of the things that it makes this kind of events, community-led event, and specifically JNation special, is that they really think about those things that make a connection to each one of the attendees. Obviously, music, most people enjoy music and metal music even more. But just having something that connects to us developers, Java developers, even with that kind of music is even better. So kudos to first Nanowar Steel for
Yes.
creating that song, and second for JNation organizers to get a hold of Nanowar Steel and bring them to this event and have everybody be able to share and bask into these amazing things that we all can build together with music, with Java, all that.
Yeah, it brings us all together.
Yes. So, Lutske, thank you so much for your time, and everybody else for watching. Be sure to watch every other video that we have in the interviews and that are coming up with all the sessions about JNation. All of them provide great content. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.